Watch this man get ready for some epic RC boat action. Truly a master of his craft. Do you think you could match his skill? Comment below.